2023 Toyota Corolla Cross, what we know so far. 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. The all-new 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross is the latest generation from Toyota after more than 50 years of being the best-selling vehicle in the world. The Toyota Corolla has been sold in the US in either a sedan or hatchback display, but this time Toyota has decided to add the new Corolla Cross 2023 to its crossover lineup by presenting the 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. Toyota Corolla Cross 2023. The new Toyota Corolla Cross is a vehicle that is in the subcompact crossover lineup by offering a variety of new upgrades such as a powertrain, and several other improvements that include a sportier design than the previous 2023 Toyota Corolla. Of course, the new Corolla Cross 2023 will face its sibling in the crossover lineup such as the 2023 Toyota CHR and the new Toyota RAV4 2023. Toyota hopes that with the presence of a new breakthrough by turning the new Corolla 2023 into a crossover, it can increase the level of sales that previously in the sedan and hatchback line had decreased in recent years. New Toyota Corolla Cross 2023 exterior. On the outside, the new Toyota Corolla Cross 2023 presents a more traditional exterior style and feels more elegant and offers a slightly sporty impression. There are front and rear fenders with a muscular design combined with black plastic material just above the wheel holes. At the front also offers a black grille with a mix of LED headlights. Not only that, there is an integrated roof spoiler and very impressive LED tail lights. In this latest generation, the new Corolla Cross 2023 offers three model variants including the 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross L, LE, and XLE variants. The new 2023 Corolla Cross Model L is equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels. As for the size of the 18-inch alloy wheels will be presented on the LE and XLE models. The 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross concept, even though it is in the crossover lineup, this car is not an off-roader that can be used to go through extreme roads like some competitors. New Corolla Cross 2023 engine. The latest generation 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross model only offers one engine option, namely a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine capable of producing 169 horsepower and 150 lb-ft of torque. Results power from the engine will be channeled to the front-wheel drive or all four wheels via a continuously variable transmission or CVT. The new Corolla Cross 2023 is expected to be able to tow up to 1,500 pounds. This crossover is also equipped with various important features, including an active safety system in the form of Toyota Safety Sense, which includes a lane departure warning feature, radar-based cruise control, and automatic highlight. There are also features of traction control, smart stop technology, and stability control as an additional safety system. Not only that, the 2023 Toyota Corolla rumors will also be equipped with a rear traffic warning system, front parking assistance, automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring. 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross redesign interior. Inside the cabin, the interior of the Toyota Corolla Cross 2023 looks elegant with a dashboard layout like its predecessors in the sedan and hatchback lines. The new Corolla Cross 2023 offers 5 seats, has a design that is almost the same as its predecessor, and is also equipped with an infotainment system in the form of a 7-inch infotainment screen that has been integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features. However, there is a choice of infotainment systems in the form of an 8-inch screen as an option. In some 2023 Toyota Corolla models offer an audio system in the form of audio from JBL with 9 speakers equipped with several other features such as wireless charging, and several USB charging ports for smartphones provided in the rear seats. The 2023 Corolla Cross also features dual-zone automatic climate control, a power moonroof, 10-way driver's seat and Softex scut seats. In the new Corolla Cross 2023, the XLE variant offers a center armrest and is equipped with 2 cup holders. There is also a package that includes a power liftgate feature that can assist in height adjustment for easy access to rear cargo. 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross price release. Toyota has not announced the official price for the latest generation 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross release. It is estimated that the price offered will increase slightly compared to before thanks to some of the improvements provided. The base model new Corolla Cross 2023 will be priced from $23,000 to $30,000, offering an AWD configuration. The new Toyota Corolla Cross 2023 will compete with several reliable competitors including the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer, 2023 Mazda CX-30, new Kia Seltos 2023, and 2023 Hyundai Venue, which also offer a lot of toughness and upgrades.